All right, so we are continuing with patterns in math. Last week we talked about number patterns and patterns found in a table with an input and an output. This week we are talking about patterns, repeating patterns and growing patterns. So for this video, we're going to talk about repeated patterns. Now remember, repeated patterns have a rule, and that rule is applied over and over again so that the pattern repeats itself over and over and over again. So to complete a repeated pattern, like the one shown here, I have to find what the rule is. So if we look at this pattern, it says circle, circle, triangle, square. Circle, circle, triangle, square. So I like to split it up to find the rule. Okay, where does the pattern repeat itself? It repeats itself after the square. Circle, circle, triangle, square. Circle, circle, triangle, square. Okay, now it wants us to continue the pattern. So we have circle next. So we know we need circle, we need another circle. Circle, circle, now we need a triangle. And the last would be a square. Okay, let's look at another example of a repeating pattern. Okay, this one is also a repeating pattern. It is the same shape, except it is pointing in different directions. So the pattern is which direction the triangle is facing. So we have up, left, down, left, up, left, down. Okay, so up, left, down, left. Looks like right here is where the pattern repeats. Then we have up, left, down, and then we would need another left. Okay, so let's see what we need next. We have up, left, down, left. So now we need up again, because here's where it would repeat again. Up, and then next would come left. Okay, last one, last example. Now this is another repeating pattern, except this time it has shapes and it has colors. So we have white circle, black circle, white square, black square, white circle, black circle, white square, black square. So it looks like the pattern repeats itself after the black square. So it ends in a black square, and we need to add the last three. So we need to continue the pattern. So we know the next shape would be a white circle, white circle, white circle, and what would come next? A black circle. And if we were to continue it a few more times, we'd know it would be a white square and then a black square. And that's a repeating pattern.